Will your pet be waiting for you in heaven? It's a question many people ask, and the idea that our pets might not be there is honestly a tough one to accept. So, what does the Bible actually say about animals in heaven? Well, it's not the answer every pet owner wants to hear. The Bible doesn't give a clear yes or no, and that's what makes this question so hard. While it mainly talks about people and their need for salvation through faith in Jesus, there are also verses that show God cares for all his creation, and for many, that truth gives real hope that maybe we'll see our pets again in heaven.